Hi, it's Mrs. Hines again. Today we're going to talk about plotting points and finding points on a coordinate grid. This is a picture of a coordinate grid. As you can tell, it's made up of two axes, one that runs horizontally, one that runs vertically. The horizontal axis is known as the x-axis, the vertical axis is known as y, and those are kept separate so that we can pinpoint a location of a point much like we did when you played Battleship, only we're going to use only numbers, no letters. Here we go. This is a set of ordered pairs. Ordered pairs are made up of two coordinates, an x-coordinate and a y-coordinate, always in that order, x first and then y. This first ordered pair, 0, 0, is very important. It is located exactly where the x-axis and the y-axis intersect each other. It's known as the origin of the grid. Let's take a look at how to plot this point. I know x is 2 and y is 3. So when I take this point, I'm going to start at the origin. I'll move 2 horizontally on the x-axis and 3 vertically on the y-axis. That point 2, 3 is located right there. This point, 5, 0. Let's take the point, start at the origin, move 5 along the x-axis, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 0 in the vertical direction, the y-axis, so that point ends up being right on the x-axis. The point 0, 7, I'll again start at the origin. I'm going to move horizontally only 0 and vertically 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This point, 0, 7, is exactly on the y-axis. Let's see if you can locate these points. This would be a good time to stop and pause because I'm going to go ahead and reveal the answers, but you can stop before I do that and check your own. Point A. From the origin, it is 1, 2 spaces on the x-axis and 1, 2, 3, 4 on the y-axis. If you said it's located at 2, 4, that's correct. Point B, 1, 2, 3, 4 on the x-axis, 2 on the y-axis. If you said it's located at 4, 2, you're correct. The last point, point C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. This is located at 8, 3. These points show that not always are we going to have whole number coordinates. Take a look at point A. Again, stop this recording if you'd like to practice on your own. We'll start at the origin to figure out where it is. 1, 2 on the x-axis, 1, 2 and a half on the y-axis. Point A is located at 2, 2 and a half. Point B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a half, 1. Point B, 5 and a half, 1. Point C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and a half on the x-axis, 1, 2, 3, 4 and a half on the y-axis. Point C is located at 7 and a half, 4 and a half. One last thing before we leave coordinate grids is to know that the intervals are not always 1. In this case, when I look from the origin to here and it moves to 10, each interval must be 5. 5, 10, 15, 20. So point A is 5, 10 on the x-axis and 5, 10, 15, 20 on the y-axis. It's located at 10, 20. Point B, 5, 10, 15, 20, 5, 10. It's located at 20, 10. Point C is located at 40, 15. Tomorrow in class we're going to have lots of time practicing on these. You're going to end up creating pictures like this, starting with nothing but a set of ordered pairs. In the meantime, if you'd like to practice, this is a great game on my LiveBinder site. And what I'm trying to do is find -4, -3, -4, -3. If I get it right, I'll place the bottle cap.